Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the beta channel insiders got a new pair of builds this week. Build 22621 and 22631.2191 bumped up with the update KB 5029336. Now, in effect, the beta channel now is testing our 23H2 feature update for Windows 11, which we are expecting to see start rolling out at the end of September this year, and then that will move into October and then November. So beta channel, in effect, are testing, as mentioned, our 23H2 feature update. Now, what's new in build 22631? Just one or two quick mentions. First of all, we get HDR background support, where you can now set JXR files to be your desktop background. And if you have an HDR display, they will render in full HDR. So basically, you need to make sure your device has an HDR display or is connected to a HDR display that supports HDR. So obviously, this is all hardware specific. If you don't have the relevant hardware, obviously this will not work. And if you have multiple displays attached to your device, the background will show as HDR or SDR, depending on each display's capabilities as mentioned. Then just another quick mention, we also now get narrator natural voices in French, Portuguese, English, India, German, and Korea. And the changes and improvements that are rolling out in build 22631, this feature rolled out for the dev channel, as I have just posted, and has also been made available for beta channel insiders. And it's the ability now to quickly switch from your local desktop, as we can see in the screenshot provided, to a Windows 365 cloud device or desktop or PC via your task view. So this is now available in the dev and the beta. So there's a good chance, because it's in beta now, that this feature will make its way into the 23H2 feature update. So that'll be something to look forward to there if you have a cloud PC. And then just a quick mention, they've also added share to the context menu in File Explorer, in addition to having the share icon at the top of the context menu, which I think is a nice move when it comes to just having the ability to share different documents and so on from your File Explorer. And then over and above that, there are more changes and improvements to build 22631.2191, along with a long list of fixes, because obviously, because this is our 23H2 feature update in effect, as mentioned, Microsoft trying to address a whole lot of issues, mainly for the File Explorer. There's a long, if we look at the release notes, which I'm looking at, there's a long list of fixes for the File Explorer. So obviously Microsoft trying to ready that for 23H2. And there's also a couple of known issues, because obviously beta is still in preview, so we will get some known issues. So that's more or less what's new for the beta channel for this week in builds 22621 and 22631.2191. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.